These are instructions on sprucing up your message board post in meetup.com. Specifically, this lesson will deal with adding hyperlinks into your message posts. In this example, let's say that I want to start a new discussion on clicker training, and I found a great article on clicker training that I want to share from the internet. So if I go ahead and type something like great article on clicker training, positive reinforcement. And then I want to share the article. I'm going to Alt-Tab over to the web page. And I'm going to highlight the web address, the URL or the site address here. I'm going to right click and hit copy. Then I'm going to go back to my message. And I'm going to paste the web address here. Right click, paste. And then click submit. And click continue to see your message. And here's my message. Now this works. If I click on this link, it will open the web page. But notice it doesn't look very nice. It won't even show the whole web address, and it's hard to tell that it's clickable because it's just plain words. So we're going to spruce this up just a little bit so it just looks a little better. I'm going to go to edit so I can edit my post. And here I'm going to cut this out so I can use it later. I'm going to right click, I'm highlighting, right click and hit cut. And I'm going to click the link to icon here. And in the link address, I'm going to right click and hit paste. And there's the web address again. And now this is going to be the text that I want to show in my message. And I'm going to call it clicker training. And OK. And notice how Meetup put in some, this is called bulletin board code here, so that the web page knows that it's going to be a hyperlink to the word clicker training, which is here. I'm going to click submit again. And click continue to see my post. And now we're looking a little better. As you can see, instead of the web page with the missing letters, you now have a hyperlink to the word clicker training. But we can do a little better than this. Even though this looks a little better, some people might not know that this is clickable because it's not blue or underlined like you normally see a hyperlink in a HTML or web page document. So I'm going to spruce it up just a little bit more. I'm going to click edit. And I'm going to highlight just the clicker training portion, the text that I wrote. And I'm going to go over here to this underline icon and click that once. And notice that Meetup put a U in the beginning and a /U at the end. That's telling Meetup to underline clicker training. So I'm going to click submit one more time. I'm going to click continue to see my message. And now you can see it's looking a little bit better. It's underlined. But I want to do one more thing. I want to make it blue, since a lot of times hyperlinks tend to be blue in articles. So I'm going to click edit once more. And remember, you can do all this at one time. I'm just showing you a progression. I'm going to highlight clicker training once again. And remember, only do clicker training. Don't highlight anything else. And I'm going to click the color palette here, the text color icon. I'm going to choose blue. And notice that it puts a color dark blue on one end and a color dark blue on the other, or a slash color on the other end. And I'm going to click submit once more. And click continue to see my post. And now you can see my post just looks a little bit better. It has a hyperlink that still goes to that direct web page, and it looks like a hyperlink because it's blue and underlined. And let's give it a try. We're going to click on it and see if it takes us right to that web page. And as you can see, it does. It takes us right to the web page that we were reading. Now, these are the end of the instructions for sprucing up your Meetup post. If you have any questions about these instructions, please log on to meetup.com. Go to the computer tips